HTML5 audio element. Adding sound files to your web pages is a straightforward process. All we do is we use audio, and let's give some controls. Actually, before we do that, let's give the source file. Where is that MP3 or WAV file? And where is that sound file located? The path to it. And let's give some controls to the visitor, so they have some controls. Also, let's give a notice just in case someone is visiting us and they don't have the correct browser. Let's save this file and let's view it on our browser. And that's our audio element. If I press it, the sound will play. Now, once again, similar to HTML5 video, you can have, it's not suggested, but you can have autoplay and different elements as well. Make sense? Or loop and so on. Now, I'm sure that autoplay is useful in certain circumstances. That's why they have that tag. And let's imagine we remove the source from here because we want to add multiple source files. Let's imagine we have another one with .org format. Let's remove that and say that's different file format. Okay. If that's the case, we can say source. So instead of having the source on the audio tag itself, we can give the source along these lines. Say source equals where, let's browse, MP3, that is the source of that audio file. And let's say it's a type. In that example, it is audio MPEG. That is one source. Let's give it another source and say source, give the path to different file format and say that's type of audio but OGG format. Let's save this file and let's view it on our browser. It's still the same audio element we're using, but we've just given two different sources just in case someone can play MP3 and yet they can play .ogg file format. Make sense? So adding audio to your web pages is straightforward with HTML5, and you can utilize the audio element. And I'll talk with you in the next video session.